Together, we educate, inspire, and support female entrepreneurs from all industries to feel empowered with the freedom to be a successful, self-employed woman achieving their goals and dreams with confidence. Through hands-on, immersive workshops led by amazing industry leaders, online and in-person community meetups, a podcast where we believe in being real, raw, and pretty hilarious, events that allow for mentorships, collaborations, and business relationships to cultivate and grow. Together is more than just a Boss Lady conference. It's a community, a place to connect with those who get it, women who are authentic and want to share their heartfelt stories to help others grow and learn. Alone, we can only do so much, but together, we can grow, support, and expand our possibilities far beyond what we could ever dream doing on our own. Whether you are just starting out, a mompreneur, a seasoned professional, or running a business on the side, we are your community. Real women empower each other, and we deeply believe in community over competition. This is where you belong, can make everlasting friendships, and find your Boss Lady besties. They'll keep you motivated and be there when you are needing encouragement and help. You are welcome to join us. Whether online or in person, we are here for you. 2017 is just the beginning. Together, we inspire. Together, we grow. Together, we can do the impossible.